Okay, in this lecture we are going to watch Python number. What is number? Is there any specific topic available on Python number? No. So I'm just using a Python topics based on number system. Okay, the topics are integer value, floating value, long value which is unlimited value, complex real and imaginary value, binary, octal, hexadecimal value. You can able to access these files, means these value, this number on Python. Okay, but the long and complex we are not going to cover because the usage of these two will be radically low. Okay, so first of all, what is integer? A whole value without decimal. A, that is equal to 5, B, that is equal to 60, then C, that is equal to 555, then D, that is equal to A plus B plus C. Print D. So this is a simple calculations of integer values. Now running my file python app.py 620, as same like for the floating value, a whole value with decimal. A, that is equal to 5.001, B, that is equal to 55.69, C, that is equal to 595.673. Okay, D, that is equal to A plus B plus C. Then print D. Okay, the addition of normal integer value, the addition of floating value. Now binary value. Okay, how you are going to use binary value in Python means using a keyword. Okay, binary values which is 0 and 1. Not like this, means 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Okay, then 1 1 1 1. What is the keyword means? Print 0 is the first value, means first thing you need to write for using binary value 0, then small b, and what value do you need? I need the value of 101. As same like print 0 b 1010. Okay, saving my file and running. Here you could see 5 and 10. So this value is considered as 0101. Now using the type conversion option, so WA, that is equal to integer of binary value, so 0b 111. Okay, the result will be 7. Okay, you need to print the statement WA because I am just written 31, which is considered as a 0111. Okay, so this is how you use binary values on Python. Then octal values 0 to 7, then 10 to 17, like that value. For octal you are going to use the keyword 0O. Okay, 0O. Then what is the value you need? So here 11, then print 0O, so 0O00. Okay, saving my file and running 9 and 0. Then using type conversion, integer of 0O 15. Okay, then print AB. Okay, the value of 15 is 13. Then hexadecimal value. Hexadecimal value 0 to 9, then A to E. Okay, For that, keyword is 0x. Okay, 0x. Then 8, print 0xd. For the conversion method, AC, that is equal to integer of 0x a. Okay, then print AC. Okay, the result is 0x8 is 8, 0xd is 13, 0xa is 10. Then a simple type conversion option. Okay, type conversion. Here a, the value will be 10.5, b, that is equal to integer of a. Okay, integer of a. Here the floating value is being converted to the integer value. Okay, print b. You could see the value is not 10.5, now the value is 10. As same like here c, that is equal to 125, d, that is equal to floating of c. Here the result will be 125.0 because we are converting integer value to floating value. For that, 0.0 is added. After that, a divide operation. E, that is equal to floating value of c divide a. Print E, as same like f, that is equal to integer value for c divide a. Then print f. Okay, so the floating value of c divided by a is 11.90476. the value has been continuous, and the integer, the type conversion of dividend value is 11. Okay, then g, that is equal to 5, h, that is equal to 6, I, that is equal to 7. So I am going to convert these three values by binary of g, octal of h, and hexadecimal of I. Okay, so I am going to convert these three values. So 0b 101, 006, then 0x7. the type conversion for binary, octal and hexadecimal value. Now we are going to watch assignment operation. Okay, so what are the different types of assignment operation? Assignment operator, so not operation, operator. A, that is equal to 9, b, that is equal to 7. Here I am going to print the variable condition, means different condition. A greater than b, then print a is lesser than b, print a is greater than or equal to b, print a is lesser than or equal to b, print a equal to b, then print a not equal to b. So the not equal to will be put like this. Okay, print a is b, print a is not b. Okay, this is the available condition on Python. Now I am running my file, so saving my file. After that, yeah, perfect, running my file. The first statement, a is greater than b, 9 is greater than 7, that is true. The second statement is false, a is lesser than b. Here a is greater than or equal to. So here one condition is been achieved, so true. A is lesser than or equal to false, so the both statement is false. A equal to b, that is false. A is not equal to b, that is true. Then A is b, false. A is not b, true. Now I am just changing the value b7 to 9, saving my file and running. The first statement is false. A is greater than b is false. A is lesser than b, false. A is greater than or equal to, so here the equal to rule is being achieved, so true. A is lesser than or equal to b, true. A equal to b, true. A is not equal to b, false. A is b, true. A is not b, false. Okay, so this is how the assignment operations you can able to check the condition. The result will be produced on Boolean statement. Okay, now so some random and math operation. Okay, random and math operation. Okay, first of all you need to import that module. Import random, then after that print random. First of all you need to write a random function, then random keyword, after that call the function of random. Now run the file. On each and every time you running the file, the random value has been called. Okay, you can able to see the random values. You could able to set a range on that also. Okay, random keyword plus randrange function. Okay, randrange function, I need a value in between 0 to 25. Okay, so now running 9, 23, 3, 24, 7, 16, 18. So the value is in between 0 to 25. Then print, you can able to do like this also. Integer of converting random dot random function. So the value will be on decimal, means decimal value. So I am just multiplying by 10. I am just converting as well as multiplying the value with 10. Here you could see 9, 8, 9, 8, 1, 7. The value is been changing. So on each and every time of calling a random function, it will produce a different value. For an example, the first call it will produce a value. On the second call it will produce a different value, not the same value. Okay, you need to keep that on mind whenever you writing a code. If you are using random on your program, on each and every time the random call will produce a different value. There is not only one same value for all the program. Whenever you calling a random, different value has been produced. Okay, then math operation. For the math operation you need to import math module, then floor and seal concept, print math dot seal 10.02, then print math dot floor 9.99. Okay, so seal, here I need to write seal. Seal is nothing but it will round up the value. Round up the value means it will go to the next greater value. Okay, so 11 and 10. As same like floor will be round down element. Okay, seal will be a round up element, floor will be a round down value. Floor, here you could see 10 and 9. For 10.2 the minimum value will be 10. For 9.99 the minimum value will be 9. So the concept which we has been shown on math book is using the round concept. Okay, round will calculate the value. If the value is greater than 0.5, it will go to the next value. If the value is lesser than 0.5, it will come to that same value. Okay, so here 10.2 as same like print round 9.99. So the both value will be 10. Okay, because this the value will greater than 0.50 and this is lesser than 0.50. So the value will be 10 and 10. Okay, now power. Print math dot power 5 to 5 element means it will multiply 5 for the 5 times. 5 into 5 cross 5 cross 5. Okay, so running my file 3125.0. Okay, you could use square root option also. Math.sqrt square root of 36. Okay, then running my file. Here you could see the square root of 36 is 6. Now constant value means pi value and e constant value. Maths.pi, maths.e. Okay, e constant value and pi value. So there are lot of option means lot of function has been available on math, but we are going to use in between this. So I'm just reducing to the most important concept. Okay, so the math.pi is pi value is 3.1415926 and e constant 2.718. Okay, let's summary the Python number. Python number, it's not a concept. I'm just merged all the concept based on number system. Okay, so integer value, floating value. For the binary value, the keyword is important. 0b for octal 0 small o, for hexadecimal 0x. The type conversion, then assignment operation, random function. For each and every random it will produce a different value. Then floor will seal will be round up, floor will be round down. Okay, on next lecture we are going to watch Python string.